These sea monsters began their journey as tiny lizards at the mercy of giant dinosaurs.
Heavily skulled predecessors of Triceratops. A typical adult.
Helicoprion's jaws and teeth were uniquely suited for feeding. Through the shell, they were treated to a nice fillet of ancient calamari.
So 250 million years ago, Helicoprion possessed
a violent death in an ancient world.
Carcharodontosaurus. The name means shark-toothed lizard, and this is a dinosaur that was sort of the equivalent of a shark on land. It would have basically walked up to a sauropod dinosaur and probably taken a big chunk out of it and just sort of waited for it to die.
The extra oxygen saw some invertebrates grow to enormous sizes.
The fossil record isn't complete, but it seems almost certain that Thylacophilus and Smilodon overlapped. These animals were really similar. They must...
Mais le Hyaenodon est un prédateur furtif. Il compte davantage sur la force que sur la vitesse.
Cet animal ne...
40 feet long and weigh 4 tons. Their duck-like bills and rows of grinding teeth were built for eating plants, not fighting predators.
The dawn of this era, the fearsome Anomalocaris lorded over all other life in the sea. Its 2 large compound eyes gave it panoramic vision as it searched for prey. But it wasn't the only animal that could see. Until a mere 400 million years ago, the ocean was
de matorral o pastizales, lugares con vegetación acuática, hasta bosques tropicales y de coníferas. En ese tiempo, rondaba una de las especies de mamíferos más raras y voluminosas que hayan existido, el Glyptodon.
It would have been a quiet... a new stegosaur, those spiked-backed favorites.
There's
Deinonychus utilise une tactique de diversion pour duper des adversaires plus massifs.
Imaginez une bande de 5 ou un trio.
Des Deinonychus
is the largest predator on Earth, Tyrannosaurus rex, and he's about to engage in a